Hi everyone, I am Professor Pawar SD from Sir Sundarbai Manik Adsu Polytechnic, Ahmednagar. Today we are going to learn articles of English language. There are three articles in English language: a, an, and the. One of them is definite article, the is definite article, and second one is indefinite article. Indefinite article. A and an are indefinite articles. Indefinite articles. Why they is called definite articles? So we take up one example for understand this. I read dash book or dash novel. Full stop. In next sentence, I speak about the book. Dash novel is very interesting. Novel is very interesting. Very interesting. Very interesting. So I took a example for understanding the why they is called definite articles, why a and an are called indefinite articles. Why they is called definite article? I read a novel. A novel. We took a article. Why? Why? Because which novel I read, this is not definite. But in the next sentence, novel is very interesting. Novel is a very interesting. Why? Which novel I read, this is a definite. In that sentence, when took a novel, there is a definite novel. Which novel is interesting? Which I read. That novel is very interesting. But I read a novel. Here is not a particular or not a specific novel. But interesting is a specific or particular novel. Why? Which novel I read is a very interesting. So there is a definite novel. There is an indefinite novel. Which novel I read, but in the second sentence its reference is taken, so the particular novel is taken there, particular. So that is called definite article. Definite means when the is used when we speak about particular place, specific place or thing or name, that time the article is used, particular or specific. Particular or specific. That time the article is used, so the is called definite article. A and an, there is no particular or specific thing, person or place. No specific place, specific thing or specific person. That time a and an are used, so they are called indefinite articles. So we will see the uses of articles a and an. Uses of article a and an. There are total 26 alphabets in English language. Alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Among 26 alphabets, there are 21 consonants and 5 vowels. 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Vowels. And consonants, rest of the alphabets are consonants. For example, B, C, D, F G H J K L M N P Q R S T V W X Y and J. Those are consonants in English language. When and used when we speak something. For example, I have seen dash elephant in the jungle. I have seen an elephant is used. Why an is used? Because its sound is like a vowel. Elephant. E is a vowel and its also sound is like that vowel sound. So an is used. Next one example. England is dash European country. England is dash European country. So which article is used here? Why is a vowel? Why is correct article? Because its sound is not a vowel. European. Why? European. Why is a consonant. So its sound is like a consonantal sound. So a article is used. We have seen two examples, and from that we learn a article used when the sound of word is like a vowel. That time we use a article, and an is used when the sound of word is like a consonantal, and an is used when the sound of word is like a vowel. That time we use an article. Next examples are before hour we use an correct article. Why an? H is a consonant, but an is used. Why an is used? Because it sounds like, or its utterance like a vowel. So an is a correct article. Then next one is union. Here is correct article a. U is a vowel, but why a is a correct article? Because its sound is like a Y. Y is a consonant. So union. A university, an honest. H is a consonant, but its sound is like a vowel. So an article is a correct article in that time. So we have seen the uses of a and an article. Next one is, but those articles are used not a specific or not a particular thing. There is not a particular elephant in the jungle. There are so many elephants in the jungle. Which elephant I saw, there is given particular not. So an is used. England is a European country. In European country there are many countries. In that England is one of them. So a article is used, not a specific or not a particular. Next one, the uses of the article. Uses of the article. So when I say or when I speak one sentence, close dash dash door, close dash dash door, close dash dash door, close dash dash door. Which article is correct in this sentence? The articles. Or open dash dash window, open window. Which article is correct here? The. Why the? When I speak or when I say to someone, close the door. Close the door means one of the door I want to close. I want to close. There is a particular door, so the is article used there. Or open the window, I want to open the particular window. So there is a specific or particular window, so the article is used there. The article is used there. So the is called as a definite article. Then there are so many uses of article. When we use the article before the unique things in this world. Unique things means, for example, the moon, the sun, the sky. Those are unique things in this world. The moon, the sun, the sky. Before the holy or ritual books, for example, the Bible, the Quran. Before the names of newspapers, for example, the Times of India, the Dainik Lokmat, Times of India, the Dainik Lokmat. Before the ordinals means the first, the second World War, the last. Before the superlative degree, for example, the highest, the nearest, etc. Before the names of mountains, rivers, and oceans, for example, the Himalaya mountain, the Pacific Ocean, the Hindi Mahasagar, the Nile River, When one name of the class represent or whole class, its whole class, for example, the lion. When I speak something about lion, dash lion is the king of animal. Lion represent its whole class, so the lion. Next example, the dog. For example, dog is a faithful animal. All dogs are a faithful animal. Each particular dog represents its whole class. So the article is used. There are uses of articles. Number first, we have seen the unique things in this world. Before the unique things of this world, the article is used. Holy books. Before the holy books, before the newspaper's name, before the ordinals. For example, he stood dash first in the class. The article is correct there. Then before the superlative degree. Do you know superlative degree? For example, high, higher, highest. High is a positive degree, higher comparative degree, and highest is superlative degree. Before the superlative degree, we use the article. Before the names of mountains, rivers, then oceans, Mahasagar, seas, we use the article. When some names represent its whole class, that time also the article is used. There are uses of articles. So students, a and an and the, those three articles are used in English language. We learned the uses of those articles. I am confident about that all of you must understand, all of you will understood that articles. Thank you very much.